The White House is very important. It stands as a beacon of American ideals and governance. This iconic building has been the residence of every US president since John Adams in 1800. Its neoclassical architecture and storied history make it a significant landmark not just in the United States but around the world. It is in Washington, D.C., the capital city of the United States. This city is the heart of American political life, where decisions that shape the nation and the world are made. The White House is strategically located here, surrounded by other important government buildings and monuments. It is the home of the President of the United States. The President lives and works here, making crucial decisions that affect the country and the world. The White House is not just a residence, it is a place where history is made every day. The White House is a symbol of America. It represents the strength and resilience of the nation. Over the years, it has witnessed moments of triumph and tragedy, serving as a backdrop to many significant events in American history. It represents democracy and freedom. The White House stands as a testament to the democratic principles upon which the United States was founded. It is a place where the voice of the people is heard and respected. The White House is visited by many people. Every year, millions of tourists from across the globe come to see this iconic building. They are drawn by its historical significance and the role it plays in American governance. Tourists come from all over the world. They come to witness the grandeur of the White House and to learn about its rich history. The diverse groups of visitors reflect the global interest in this American symbol. They come to see this famous landmark. The White House is not just a building, it is a symbol of hope and freedom for many. Visitors leave with a deeper understanding of American history and values. The White House is a reminder of America's history and values. It stands as a testament to the enduring principles of democracy, freedom, and justice. As we look upon this iconic building, we are reminded of the nation's journey and the ideals that continue to guide it. Drones are like flying cameras. They take pictures and videos from the air. Drones help us see things in a new way. They give us amazing views. Drones have special cameras. These cameras can move in different directions. They can capture every angle. Drones can fly high above the White House. This allows for spectacular shots. Drone footage shows the White House's beauty. We can see the whole building from above. The shape of the building is clear. The White House has many windows. The footage shows the gardens around the White House. We can see the South Lawn. It is a large grassy area. The White House has a swimming pool. It is hidden from view on the ground. Section 4, Hidden in Plain Sight. Secrets from above. Drones reveal hidden details that are often missed by the naked eye. These aerial perspectives provide a unique glimpse into the architectural intricacies of one of the most iconic buildings in the world. From above, we can see the White House's different levels, each with its own distinct features and purposes. The multi-level structure is designed to accommodate various functions, from official state business to private family quarters. There are balconies and porticos that add to the building's grandeur. These elements not only enhance the aesthetic appeal, but also serve practical purposes, such as providing outdoor spaces for relaxation and official ceremonies. These features are not easily seen from the ground. The drone footage reveals intricate details like hidden courtyards, rooftop gardens, and other architectural elements that are often overlooked. The drone footage shows the White House's size in its entirety. From this vantage point, we can appreciate the vast expanse of the property, including the surrounding gardens and security perimeters. It is bigger than it looks from the ground. The aerial view provides a comprehensive perspective, highlighting the scale and complexity of the building's design, which is not as apparent from the ground level. We can see the many wings of the building, each serving different functions. The East Wing, West Wing, and the executive residence are all clearly visible, showcasing the building's multifaceted nature. The footage helps us understand the building's layout. By mapping out the different sections, we gain a better understanding of how the White House operates as both a home and a hub of political activity. Section 5, More Than Bricks and Mortar, a legacy in every frame. The White House has seen many important events. Presidents have lived and worked there. Important decisions have been made within its walls. Drone footage connects us to this history. It allows us to imagine the past. The The White House is a symbol of American leadership. It has witnessed triumphs and tragedies. Section 6, a new perspective, appreciating history through drone footage. In this section, we delve into how modern technology, specifically drone footage, has revolutionized the way we view and appreciate historical landmarks. The White House, an iconic symbol of American history and governance, is seen from angles and perspectives that were previously unimaginable. Drone footage provides a fresh view. From high altitudes, we can observe the White House in its entirety, capturing its majestic presence amidst the sprawling gardens and surrounding architecture. These aerial shots offer a comprehensive view that ground-level photography simply cannot match. We can see the White House in a new light. The changing times of day, from the golden hues of sunrise to the soft glow of dusk, highlight different aspects of its architecture and surroundings. This dynamic perspective enhances our understanding of its historical and cultural significance. It allows us to appreciate its scale and grandeur. The White House is not just a building, it is a symbol of power and history. Drone footage captures its vastness and the meticulous details of its design, reminding us of the effort and craftsmanship that went into its construction. Drone footage is engaging and informative. It provides a narrative that is both visually stunning and educational, allowing viewers to connect with the White House on a deeper level. The vibrant colors of spring, the lush gardens, and the historical architecture all come together to tell a story. It brings the White House to life. The dynamic movement of the drone as it flies around the building captures details that are often missed. From the intricate designs on the facade to the layout of the surrounding grounds, every element is brought into focus. The footage is a reminder of the importance of this building. The White House stands as a testament to the nation's history, resilience, and the ideals it represents. Seeing it from above with the American flag waving proudly evokes a sense of pride and reflection. It is a place of history, power, and hope. The White House is more than just a residence. It is a beacon of democracy and a symbol of the nation's enduring spirit. Through the lens of a drone, we gain a renewed appreciation for its significance and the role it plays in shaping the future.